Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Google Chrome using terminal on Ubuntu. The first step is to open the terminal. Use the following command to download the latest version of Google Chrome's package directly from Google's website. This command will download the installation file to your current directory. Now, install the downloaded package using the apt package manager. If any dependencies are missing, this command will attempt to resolve them. Once the installation is complete, you can start Google Chrome by running the following command. Google Chrome does not allow running with root privileges without disabling the Secure Sandbox, a process isolation layer. To fix it, you can run Chrome by adding the No Sandbox option as follows. When you follow the steps above, if you encounter errors during installation, such as missing dependencies, you may need to force install so that the dependencies install without notification. To execute this command, ensure you have administrative privileges and use the following command and flag. After successfully running this command, Google Chrome will be installed.